Today I'm going to show you how to install the FortiGate 60C and 60D into the RM-FR-T3 from Rackmount.IT. So you will need the FortiGate appliance with power cord and of course the rack mount kit. In this video we will install the FortiGate 60D. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch FortiGate rack mount kit, 10 Cat6 cables, 3 zip ties, 4 screws, 2 fixator brackets, an Allen wrench, front port labels, and installation instructions. So we have the FortiGate appliance here, and what we want to do is remove the 2 screws on the back of the appliance. Once we have removed the screws, what we want to do is place the appliance in the left-hand side of the rack with the connections facing towards the back. You then want to place the appliance fixator brackets in the holes on the rack near the back of the appliance. Use the screws you removed from the appliance to secure the brackets. Once all the screws are tight, the appliance should be secured. Next, we are going to install the battery using the zip ties provided with the rack mount kit. Place 2 of the zip ties through the holes on the rack. Next, you will place the power supply over the zip ties. Then tighten the zip ties over the power supply. Then trim the remaining zip tie. Place the zip tie through the 2 holes on the rack. Wind up the excess cord and place it on top of the zip ties. Tighten the zip ties as much as possible. Trim the excess zip tie. Next, you want to plug in the power cord to the back of the FortiGate appliance. Now we are ready to connect the cables. Start by plugging into the far right coupler on the rack. Connect the other end of the cable to the first port next to the power cord on the appliance. Plug in the remaining cables sequentially. You are now done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to place the front port stickers on the front of the rack above the couplers. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.
Rack on!